Introducing the Europlacer iineo Plus multifunctional placement system. Handling a range of devices from 01005 through 99mm squared, the iineo Plus can be configured to run from 15,000 to 30,000 components per hour. Perfect for medium volume, high batch production, the system can also be used in an NPI prototyping environment. Europlacer's proven Tornado head uses an on-the-fly camera in order to analyze and precisely position the SMT devices. The iineo Plus can hold up to 264 8mm feeders and handle PCBs up to 1.6 meters in length, as well as placing a huge range of SMT devices. The iineo platform is perfect for exotic and odd-shaped parts as well. In order to control pickup and placement force, the iineo Plus uses Europlacer's well-proven and patented system of 3DPS, a closed-loop feedback system resulting in optimal placement for each device and automatic correction of board warpage, in most cases eliminating the need for underboard supports altogether. Using automatic adaptive sequencing software, the operator can be sure there will be no collisions between tall and short devices. The iineo Plus, the world's most flexible SMT placement machine platform.